Welcome to the walkthrough of a Technician mobile app. The application is available on Android platform and it is easily available in Play Store. Once you have downloaded the application, you have to enter your login details. Please enter company code here. And then mobile number. And click on submit icon. The OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Please put OTP here and submit it. The screen will ask you the 4-digit PIN number. For the first time, this login will take time of 5-10 minutes to download the real-time data. After login, you will see the page of call list where we have associated a brief information with every call, customer details, call ID, model details, address and warranty status. On the right side, you can see the call registration date and as well as appointment date. With every call, we have available 3 options. First one is a next call. You can switch to another job or another call. Second one is a contact. There are 2 sections available. First one is a contact name and second one is a interaction history. In a contact name section, you can see the customer mobile number. You can opt any of mobile number and directly call to customer and can send SMS to him. And second one is interaction history. All the past history you can check here whenever you have connected with the customer. So you can check here name, customer name, mobile, purpose, response, remarks, everything you can find out here. Let's switch to the contact name. Select any of mobile number and call to customer. Here you will redirect to the mobile dial pad screen, and once you will disconnected the call, one response page will be open where the customer name and phone number would be auto displayed. You can define the purpose of call where you can find out 3 options here: appointment, confirm, address, reschedule the call. Response of call you can capture if it is connected or not. Of course, specify additional phone number, alternate phone number if customer have. Remarks you can specify, and in terms of rescheduling the call, you can specify the appointment date and time. And click on add icon. Next one is a SMS. Click on SMS icon. Here we have arranged a few templates for the ease of technician. Technician can choose any of template and can send SMS to customer. Next section is appointment. This is the same response page where you can capture customer appointment date and time, purpose of call, response of call, and of course calendar time and date, and after that you can click on add icon. Now with the call, you can check on the right side the appointment date and time which you have fixed. Third section is a location. We have enabled the functionality of Google Map here, when you can check the route of current calls and of course others calls as well. On the right side corner, location navigator icon is available, which will help you to reach at customer place. On the right side corner, there are 3 icons available. First one is used to refresh the data. Second one is used for the sorting of data. So these 4 options are available. You can opt any one. And the last one is the filter. We have using multiple filters there, like warranty status, appointment, pending, transferred, subcategories. On basis of these filters, we can search our call list. So on basis of applied filters, we can search the call list. Now I can see entire details of customer. First section is customer name and customer type, address, email IDs, area, state, pin code, everything I can see here. I can click on next icon and I will find the product details. Here I have a rights to change the product details. So I can select I can choose any of option here, and with respect to SKU I can see the model range and the subcategories auto-filled. Also I can specify the serial number, purchase invoice number, or date of purchase is already provided by the customer. Here is the section to validate the warranty on basis of provided purchase of proof. So click on verify warranty. I'll get warranty details, warranty period, warranty status. Also on the right side there is option to capture the image. This could be any document with respect to invoice copy, mail attachment, product image, proof of purchase, and approval document. So I can select any one and I can select any of image from my gallery. And can upload it. Now move to the next icon again. I can see the start time of mine, type of call I can check, installation base area, installation base location I can select, and the one more factor is service. There are 3 options available: service without part, service with part, or recommended for product replacement. If any of call would require a closure with part, so I need to select the second option, and then I can see 2 options here: pending parts or faults part replaced. If I am requesting for any indent here, so I need to select pending part option, where I can find few details, or being a technician I need to fill all those details. First is your symptom, so I can view multiple options available here, so I can choose any one. Similar for the defect, and any of part I wanted to order to repair the product. So this one, pending quantity I need to define, and of course chargeable category I need to select the part would be chargeable or not, so I can choose any option. And again I can find the option to upload any document or any image. So defect part image I can upload, or defective product image I can upload in this section. Again I will choose the photo from my gallery and can upload it. Now click on the save icon and the data is submitted. Here the next action is available is pending or close, and of course I have raised the request for the part, so I need to go for the pending reason. So reasons are here. I can choose pending for spare replacement and mark call as a pending. So now the technician has raised the request for the call closure, but the request would receive to the concerned spare manager. He will approve the orders, create the challan and dispatch to the technician end or the service center end. Service center guy will enter the part in his inventory and allocate to the technician. Technician would get reminder on his application that part has been received at the service center end. So he will go at the service center place, collect the part and again move to the customer place for the call closure. When I will receive the part, I will go at customer place and select the same call. Move to the call details directly, where I can find the same information and same options would be available there. I will click on work details, select icon pending and close, and click on faults part replaced. Here I need to define the symptoms again. And also can specify the service level. Now I have to specify the new part detail which I have replaced with the product. So I can see here the one part is available. Quantity I can specify. And can click on save icon. So being a technician, I have replaced the part and now it's time for the call closure, and I'll directly select the close option, specify my remarks and close the call. Once the call would be closed, engineer needs to capture the customer feedback. So here is the icon. This screen will show you the complete call detail. And at the end, customer needs to give ratings for the services to the technician. He can give recommendation, can specify the remarks, and at last can mention his signature. Now we can submit the data successfully. Here is one more activity for the engineer to do in the field, which is AMC registration. Engineer can recommend to the customer for the purchase of AMC of the product. Here is the icon. This screen will show you the complete customer detail, call ID, customer personal detail. Before entering the details of the product for the registration, we need to put few details of the customer site like KPMC type, customer type, bathroom detail, and of course scheme. And now you can specify the product detail. Once you will enter the product detail, system will auto calculate the pricing. You can specify the quantity here. And now you can calculate the final cost. The product value, contract cost, tax values, total costing, and also you can specify the discount here. So you will see here the changes in amount. You can specify the start date, coverage of time, and end date. At last, you can define the signature of the customer. Now at the bottom you can see there are two icons available. One is invoicing and second is quotation. Let's say I choose quotation. So once I will submit all those details, one quotation document would be sent to the customer on his registered email ID. And suppose if customer is agreed to you for the shared proposal, so you can go with the invoicing and payment collection. Click on invoicing icon. You can see the payment mode here. Click on payment mode icon. Again there would be three options available. You can collect the payment with cash, check, and through the e-wallet. Let's say I choose check. So I need to define the check number. Need to select date. Enter the bank name. I can select any of my bank. And the amount would be auto displayed here. Another payment mode is e-wallet. So here same you have to specify the reference number. Payment date. E-wallet type. So I can see the two options available for me, Paytm or MobiKwik. I can choose anyone and can submit the details. And the last one is the cash. Being a technician, I will collect the cash from the customer and submit the details. Once I click on submit detail, invoicing document would be sent to the customer on his registered email ID. So this was the complete call management process. Here we have a couple of features. So click on the left top corner icon. Here you can scroll up or scroll down for the multiple features. First one is a dashboard. So dashboard is basically to use for the technician to track the self performance. Next section is attendance. Technician can mark his attendance to initiate the work and also apply for the leave here. So this is the leave section. Can apply any region and select any date. Third one is a call list. So this is the same page to view the complete call list. Next is the registration. So this page is for AMC or extended warranty registration, where you can search the details on basis of customer code or customer registered mobile number. Next is the inventory section. So the major factor is here technician own inventory. So this is the third section here. Here technician can check his inventory with respect to the good product or parts and defective part. Next is the training. So whenever the company will organize the training for the technician, so the schedule could be displayed here. Next is the knowledge bank. Technician have a rights to access the user manuals with respect to product. So here we have multiple filters. So on basis of these filters we can search the product user manual. Once the search would be completed, technician can see the multiple product manuals here and can directly download from here. Next section is the reports. So the technician can extract the report for the open, closed and the pending calls here. Next we can check the collection section here. So on the collection screen we can search the data, customer data on basis of customer code and registered mobile number, and can proceed for the collection. Next is the expense. Engineer can submit the expense on daily basis. So he can select the date, can select the option whether it is local or outstation, needs to enter the distance, mode of travel, it could be bike, cab or car, and the amount would be auto calculated here. Also he would having an option to add other charges as well. So it could be a phone bill, parking. So he can specify the amount here. And then can submit it. So this was the complete process of walkthrough. I hope we have tried to convey all the information through the presentation and the product demonstration. Thanks for watching.